Parang itim ng kilikili ko. May itim ba? No. It's just the shadow. Hindi pala.
Bakit naman binidyohan?
Siyempre vlogs yan eh. Good morning everyone. Today ay recognition din ni Bagat.
Hi guys!
That, say hi. Recognition ni Bagat. Punta na tayo ng school. Ang ganda talaga ni Sir G. Init tayo. Mga kamimis, ang gusto ni Bagat talaga ay papay niya. Kaya ang saya-saya. Papa niya. Binata na talaga si Storm.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let's witness the processional march led by Iver Ulanadua, colors carried by Kyle and Sally Dilandres and Angelito Roman Abuela, followed by the Grade 1 Gold, Grade 2 Silver, Grade 3 Ruby, Grade 4 Sapphire, Grade 5 Amethyst, together with their proud parents.
Patakdano! Lahat pahulungan!
Recipients of academic and special awards and most helpful. Kaiser Storm P. Gatil with honors and most cooperative.
Nicole, okay ka na? Okay, move. Move, pwede ka, Nicole? Yan, move. Okay, window, ha? Grade 4, eyes on me. Window. Julie, Kenneth. Backward dito, backward. Yan. Asa ng grade 5? Here. Yan. Yan, gamitin mo ay. Stay still, my dear kids. Now, stay still. Dito lang, dyan lang muna. Wait lang. Okay? So, grade 1, look for your mom and dad and say thank you and I love you and give the heart and say you're the best mom and dad. Sir? Grade 1 first, grade 1. Mami, balik po kayo sa mga chairs nyo. I-honor po kayo ng inyong mga anak. Okay, boys now. Okay, girls. Ayan, very good ang mga boys. Wow, nakalagay pa. May style talaga sila, no? O, sige. Okay, boys. Give your best shot. Smile. Kompleto na ba sila, sir? Okay, smile. Heart. And say cheese. Okay, parents mo ng grade 4. Pwede dito sa baba. Dito na lang kami sa baba. Dito tayo.
Smile 1 to 16. Heart 1 to 3. Walking 1 to 3. Sunset and thank you for grade 4.
Mga baby pa rin. Mga baby pang grade 5 to, oh. Diyos ko, parang... Say ya next week.